Hello and welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you a GPS tracker. So this device can be used in motorcycle, car or any big vehicles also. So this is from Ajjas and the model name is Ajjas Lite 4G. So this is the 4G version of Ajjas Lite, and it has one normal version which supports 2G and 3G SIMs. 4G supports 4G SIM, and the next version is Ajjas GPS is Ajjas Pro, which is like this, and Pro is both wired. And if you want to go more higher, so that will be Ajjas Go, which is wireless, and that costs around 3,500. And this one has costed me around 1,500 rupees, and the like affordable one is like Ajjas Lite, that is around 1,200 to 1,250 rupees. So don't take the price as like fixed one, because the price keeps changing. So I'll not go into details of the comparison between the models. I'll just unbox this video. So I have ordered this from Amazon. You can also order this GPS through like Ajjas website directly. So this packing is like strong and sturdy, overall compact and good. So let's open this. So here I have just hidden my product ID, and this one is like, it has the wiring diagram. So it shows the GPS, battery, ignition key, engine and the relay. So relay here is used to control the vehicle, like switch on ignition and off, on and off through like remotely. So that's why you have the relay here, and other things are common as other GPS have. So this is the device which we get. It is looks very sturdy and handy also. Packing is good. Here also this is the pin, connector pin, and you get the device ID here. The device is like packed. I cannot open this. I hope the SIM is inside. So I'll just open it more. So yeah, this is the device. See, it's very handy. It's very small, and this is the 12-volt relay which we get in this box. So I'll just keep the relay. So relay has 4 wires, and the best part is like wiring. You can see it has like distinguished colors, so you'll know which wire to put where, so no confusion. And you can check the like fitting diagram and fitting videos also, so that will be helpful. So in this video I'll be showing you unboxing. So this is a GPS, this is the relay, and we get 2 zip ties here. So you can tie this into your bike or other vehicle. And this is the user manual. So step by step, here also connection is given. If you want, you can pause it and see. Is the other way around? Okay, you can just pause it and see the video. And it has all troubleshooting indicators, like in LED indications. So basically that's it. You can use it in your scooter, motorcycle or car. We'll just keep it aside. So we have the SIM, and SIM, this says SIM is inside the device. Okay, so it should be, because it's very packed. So SIM is inside. So this device has Airtel SIM. Good. And because Airtel connectivity is also good. And in this we have bunch of wire. Okay, this is the wire. So your connector will be connected. This is a connection, and here we get the fuse. So this is good. It will prevent the short circuit. And 3 wires are without connectors, and one, the negative terminal. This will go to the negative terminal. This has connector, but all other three don't have the connectors. So I hope, like, I wish they would have given the connector for this also, because if you don't want to use the relay, you can directly connect this to your battery terminals, red for positive, black for negative, and connect the device. So you can use this device without relay. Like, if you use this device without relay, you will not have the feature of like remote engine lock and unlock, but you will have other features like notifications, engine ignition, switch on, switch off, right, live ride tracking. So those features will be enabled. So the company should give here the connector here also. That will be like one of the improvements or suggestion from my side. But if you want, you can go to a local electric shop or like battery shop. You can ask for the connector for safe connection, maybe because it will be easier and more secure and safe connected to the battery. So we have the fuse also. That's it. Okay, something else is also there inside the box. So this is okay, the spare fuse. So the same fuse, it is inside. Yeah, maybe like this. So you have one extra pair. So you have one extra fuse also. So this is the wire and the fuse, your relay, your zip tie, your main GPS device, your SIM card, which is already inside the box, and this is the user manual. So you get all this inside the Ajjas Lite 4G box. So coming to the features, like this has engine remote lock and unlock features, which will be enabled only if you connect the relay. Then you have smart driving insights, like how, at which route and at what time what was your speed, and suppose if you are going from point A to B, in between what was your acceleration and that speed. So basically you can distinguish where you are riding fast and riding slow. And live tracking, you can share your live location through the link which will be generated in your Ajjas app. You can share it on any like message or WhatsApp, so you can share your live location with the other person, and you get tried playback. So that means if you have done 30 rides in a month, you can just view all the day rides, or maybe 60 rides. I don't know exact count, but you will have the playback of the rides, and you will get the fuel logs also. Fuel logs, like whenever you are fueling, and just open the Ajjas apps, put the amount of petrol you have put and the kilometer reading. So you will be able to track it through that app. And after that, ignition on and off alert. So whenever you are switching on the ignition and putting off the ignition, so you will get the alert. And you have overspeed alert in this. So whenever you are exceeding the speed limit, you can, I guess you can set this in the app, and that time you will get the notification. And the interesting feature, you also get this geofence alert. So if you cross that particular area or come inside that area, you'll get the notification. So at the price point of 1500 rupees, this, and you get 1 year of membership free. After that you'll have to renew it. So according to me, it is a very good price point and very good product at that price point. So I feel it is worth. You can invest your money in this, because earlier I was using the Ajjas model, the Pro one, but somehow that device I stopped using for some time and membership got over, and I wanted the same device again, but it was not available both on the Ajjas website and Amazon. So I have ordered this one, Ajjas Lite. So I will see how this device works, but for the unboxing video, that's it. Thanks for staying, and do like and share this video. Hope it was helpful, and thanks a lot. Thank you.